Lisha uamuzi wake wa hapo awali wa kutoa agizo la kukamatwa kwake wiki iliyopita. Rege ameshtakiwa pamoja na wafanyakazi watatu waliofanya kazi katika afisi ya eneo hilo, mashtaka ambayo yaliwasilishwa na tume ya kupambana na ufisadi EACC.
James Rege does not respect the law, does not respect the orders of the court, does not respect the police when they summon. And this is not, and I will be pleading with the court to give us 30 days to come before the court for purposes of taking his plea. Bond terms. When I've read the record and seen that the cash bill, that he has children, he has a wife, and he's the breadwinner of his house. And then he will present himself.
There were warrants of arrest issued by this court, and my clients learned of these warrants in the national television, and they were not summoned. They had not been urged to come to the court to take plea. They were not aware that there will be a case in court. So what we are telling the court is that actually police must match up to the standards of global policing, where they ought to be courteous enough and inform an accused person, a suspect, that you are needed to come to court. You cannot just go and run rampage and run into people's houses and break, houses and then say we need you to come with us to the court. This is not how the court operates, and the court is extremely independent. They have bought into our view, and they have agreed, and the warrants have been accordingly lifted. So, Honorable James Rege is a national figure. He is a senior citizen of this country. He is a chairman of a state parastatal. He's not hiding, isn't it? But then the police have come to court and said, we cannot find him, therefore issue warrant. And that the court has actually taken quite a bit of notice on that. So he's not at all hiding. The gentleman was unwell, and we have produced letters to the court. He is at the moment in a hospital, and the court has seen indeed that yes, it is true. And the other gentleman, Ken, I've come with him to court, and we have produced him, and he has been given bond terms as well. So we want to have a better situation where police can interact with the citizens in a proper manner, so that if I am needed by the police, the first thing the police should do is to give me a call and say, man, we need you here. Then if I don't come, at least you can say, you tried. And that was the really issue here before the court. Well, in terms of the case in court, we cannot discuss a matter which is already before the court. But I have seen the charge sheet, it's 900,000. 900,000 is what they are looking for in Mheshimiwa Rege. And of course, yes, if it's an economic crime, it has to be prosecuted. But I was surprised that the CDF office has already confirmed that he was not at all involved in this. That is a matter for the office, and it's a procurement matter, and it's not for him as a patron or at a supervisorial level. Yeah.
The application